So as we head over to the poultry barn here, we're gonna look at not a lot of vehicles like the last couple of years, but we do have a lot of people that drive around, you can tell. So here, 24th day of June, like I said, 2023. At the 50's. A ton of cars. I've seen this in before. Well, these are nice right here. So this one's nice. Usually have the gangster car over here, but this is a nice Cadillac. But you gotta run. Big bad boy. Whew. That's nice. Old school. My brother had a Rambler. There's a one I like, the Impala one I've seen before. It's Snow White. That's my favorite car here. It's gorgeous. I like different cars like that. I think there's more over here in the poultry barn, it says. So you can kind of see. This one's kind of cool. Put the top down. Nice. Oh, someone's leaking some radiator fluid. That's not cool. That's not cool at all. Over here. I guess they said there's some in here. I guess we'll go in here and see if there's any in the poultry farm here. Shall we? We'll go look. Let's go look. They said. Oh yeah, here they are. Perfect. You're right. So here we go. We're nice in here. Let's go check them out. Oh yeah. Look at that bad boy. That's my favorite car right there. Sold. 23 grand, it's a deal. It's a beautiful car. 72 Mustang, hell yeah. That's a good deal. Very nice. Love it. Not a big deal, it's a GMC. 20 grand. What would you rather have? This or that for the price? That. I get it. I'll buy old stuff. This is they want. So they want 20 for 6 grand. No, thank you. I'm sorry, nothing special. 87 GMC. Old Oldsmobile. 30. Want 40 grand for that thing? But it just depends what you're looking for, I guess, right? Not a big deal. Those big trunks. The old, you can fit a body in there. Look at that big boy. Look at that trunk. Holy balls. Yeah, you can throw some dead bodies in there. Jesus. Love it. Four-door, this is a... Jesus, look at that bad boy. Doesn't do it justice on the camera, but $14,000, I'd buy it. Well worth it, it's fun. 1966 Oldsmobile. Oh my God, 98. Yeah, hell yeah. Fun car to drive around. So yeah, to me, it's classic. Old school, four-door. Drive that around town. Oh yeah, it's just, I believe it's a 68. You can recognize the body. And go look. Impala, not an SF, but it's a convertible. Nope, 67. The 68 had the round, so 60. Those, what they did in 65 and 66, they had the same kind of body line. Maybe, but they just changed the back. So the 68 and the 67, that's what they did every 2 years. They would change they had the same body, but they had the lights in the back. So it's a beautiful vehicle. It's so nice. It's pretty much original, you can tell. Sold. Good price too. 327. That's good. 27,000. Just 2010 restoration. 227. That's a great vehicle. It's a good price. It's not an SS, but still, it's a nice convertible. That is nice. You got bench seat. You get 3 people in the front. SS's have buckets. I'm not saying all my vehicles. I owned an Impala before, so. Thunderbird, look at that boy. If you look back in when I was in Virginia, Myrtle Beach on the way back, I saw that one in the video. That bad boy. All these are for sale. They all are sooner or later. $35,000, that's a good deal. Down to 35 grand. 612-701-5928. All depends how you want to spend 30 grand. What's going to be reasonable for you. $1950 Chevy. 24,000. I don't think so. What would you rather buy? That or the 67 Chevy? Look at this big bad, this Pontiac. Nice two-door, big boat. Warranty is it. I love it. 21,000 right now. Was 23 reduced. Nice. There's an Oldsmobile over here. Oh yeah. What is this, Amani? See how these were real good for racing in Enduros. You don't see a lot of these around because they all got smashed in Enduros. I think it's Amani. Go look. That is 75. Yep. Oh, it's a Cutlass. Sorry. I had a Monty. This is nice. This is worth 12 grand. Dead serious. This is a beautiful, beautiful Cutlass right here for $12,000. Are you kidding me? That's gorgeous. I'd buy that tomorrow. Oh my goodness. So. That's not, it's 32 grand now. That Cutlass is gorgeous. Sold 15,000, fun little vehicle. So anyways, as you can kind of see here, 1956 Ford wagon, nice, 18.5. So anyways, you got the convertible of the Chevrolet. It's sold. Anyways, guys, it went for 20 grand. Malibu convertible. That's a good deal. See you in the next one.